Welcome to our exploration of rare American track tractors. Today we'll introduce you to 10 remarkable models that you may not know about. Each of these machines not only boasts impressive technical specifications, but also carries a fascinating history and unique operational features. Let's dive into the details of each of these iconic machines. Tracked tractor number 10, the Holt 75. Coming in at number 10 is the Holt 75, a standout symbol of innovation in the tractor industry. This machine features a powerful engine paired with a specialized track design that ensures even weight distribution across the ground. The Holt 75 marks a pivotal moment in the heavy machinery sector, being one of the first machines capable of performing efficiently across diverse terrains. Its operation stands out with its smooth movement over rugged landscapes. The Holt 75 can easily navigate agricultural fields while providing robust support for complex construction projects. If you've ever worked in agriculture or construction, you'll appreciate the value of such a stable tractor in challenging conditions. Track tractor number 9, the Best 110. Next in the number 9 spot, we have the Best 110. This machine is equipped with an extremely powerful engine and an optimized track system that ensures maximum performance on the job. Manufactured by Best Manufacturing, it is one of the pioneering American track tractors from the early 20th century. The Best 110 has had a significant impact not only in agriculture, but also in construction and mining. Its simple yet effective control system makes it easy for operators to manage even the most labor-intensive tasks. Track tractor number 8, the Oddball tread. At number 8, we have the Oddball tread, featuring a unique track design with large balls that provide better traction and load-bearing capacity compared to traditional track tractors. These balls were specifically designed to help the machine traverse soft, swampy soils, making the Oddball tread an ideal choice for wetland areas. The history of the Oddball tread is a testament to innovation in track tractor design, as this was one of the first to use ball technology to solve challenges that traditional tractors could not handle. Track tractor number 7, the John Deere Lindemann bow crawler. At number 7, we have the John Deere Lindemann bow crawler, a product from the globally renowned John Deere brand. Equipped with a powerful engine and optimized track system, the bow crawler can easily handle difficult terrains. The history of the John Deere Lindemann bow crawler is deeply connected to advancements in tractor technology, boosting productivity in both agriculture and construction. The bow crawler's operation is incredibly smooth thanks to its flexible control system that allows operators to manage the machine easily and effectively. Track tractor number 6, the Allis-Chalmers Model K crawler. Coming in at number 6 is the Allis-Chalmers Model K crawler, featuring a high-performance engine and a durable track system. This machine is designed to handle heavy loads and can easily navigate through various types of soil, making it highly effective in demanding tasks. The history of the Model K crawler reflects Allis-Chalmers' innovation in mass-producing track tractors, opening new opportunities in the heavy machinery industry. Track tractor number 5, the Caterpillar 60. In the 5th position, we have the legendary Caterpillar 60, one of the largest brands in the heavy machinery industry. With a powerful 6-cylinder engine and a specialized track system, the Caterpillar 60 is capable of moving smoothly across soft terrains, particularly in flooded or wetland areas. Its impressive specifications, including significant horsepower, make it easy to pull heavy equipment. The Caterpillar 60 has become an iconic machine in the development of the American agricultural industry in the early 20th century. Its operation is highly efficient and smooth, helping operators manage long shifts with ease. Track tractor number 4, the International Harvester 1020. At number 4, we have the International Harvester 1020, a 20-horsepower tractor that was immensely popular in the 1920s. The design of the 10-20 not only focused on performance, but also on user convenience. Its history is tied to the growth of the agricultural industry, providing farmers with more efficient solutions for fieldwork. The 10-20's operation is stable and smooth, thanks to its specialized track design, making it ideal for working on rugged or uneven terrain. Track tractor number 3, the Case 2240. At number 3, we have the Case 2240, a tractor that has seen multiple upgrades over the years. With 40 horsepower, The 2240 is capable of handling the heaviest tasks in both agriculture and construction. Notable features include an upgraded cooling system and specially designed tracks that reduce friction and extend the tractor's lifespan. The Case 2040's history represents the creative efforts of Case to bring tractors into large-scale farming, especially in a time when mechanized tools were in high demand. Track tractor number 2, the Allis-Chalmers Model 40. Coming in at number 2 is the Allis-Chalmers Model 40. With a powerful engine generating 60 horsepower and an optimized track system, this tractor performs exceptionally well in tough soil conditions. Its history is a prime example of creative design and efficient operation. Released in the 1950s, the Model 40 revolutionized farming by making land cultivation faster and more effective. The Model 40 is easy to operate thanks to a simple yet efficient control system. Track tractor number 1, the Caterpillar D8. Finally, at number 1, we have the iconic Caterpillar D8, a legend in the track tractor world. With a powerful 180 horsepower engine and a special track system, the D8 can handle the heaviest tasks from soil handling to construction site clearing. The D8 specifications include massive pulling power and the ability to conquer any terrain. It has become one of the most famous machines in the Caterpillar lineup, representing durability and strength in the machinery industry. The D8's history is one of continuous technological development, making it the go-to machine for large-scale construction projects. Its operation is smooth and flexible, allowing workers to operate it at peak efficiency under any working conditions. Today, we've explored 10 rare American track tractors, each with remarkable specifications, rich history, and unique operational features. These machines played a crucial role in revolutionizing the agricultural and construction industries while contributing to the immense growth of the American heavy machinery sector. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting insights into modern technology and engineering.